So Boyd, this is the exact machine that you would be getting that is not only comparable feature-wise to the Konica Minolta you have now and much newer, but this machine now will come under a Xerox Factory Direct Service contract for the next 5 years. So you don't have to worry about breakdowns, parts, toner. It's an all-inclusive package. If you come a little closer, Kyle, in this device, come a little closer, I've actually loaded the machine with about 80 documents. So I just want to show you the machine's performance before we open it up and tell you a little bit more. So I'm just going to make one copy, and that's about 80 documents right there. So now you can see the level of performance and the speed of the machine. Now the document feeder will handle up to 11 by 17. The machine can actually print on paper up to 13 by 19. The tray configuration, while you see this printing, this machine comes with 4 paper trays. These are customizable from cardstock, like little postcards, all the way up to 11 by 17. Each tray will hold 520 sheets. The bottom 2 trays are dedicated letter-sized trays. These 2 trays will hold a total of 2,200 sheets. So the machine in this configuration can actually hold 3,400 sheets of paper. This finisher is staple and hole punch. I'll show you an example of that next. Now the machine does come with the bypass tray over here, which you could put your labels and envelopes in for printing. In this configuration, there's actually 3 output areas. You have your output destination here. You have the output destination in the belly of the machine. You also have your output destination on the left. So you can actually say faxes, I want to come out over here. Prints come out over here. Another print job, I want to come out over here. The machine also comes with a paperless fax kit. So all inbound and outbound faxes can be sent as PDFs electronically. It doesn't have to be printed to fax out. You can do it right from your PC. And when a fax comes in, it can also get forwarded right to the email address. So I don't know how many sets I've made of this. Actually, yeah. So what I did, I wanted to show you in the initial when we canceled this print job. The machine also has hole punch. So that last print job I did was a hole punch set. Now, if I want to have it stapled, I can take the same group of documents. Okay, and I can come, if Kyle, if you zoom in closer, I want to show the display. Machine is very easy to use. This is your service home screen, so we can set up scan to email, fax, copy. You can even print from USB drives. So if I go to copy, okay, this is your main copy screen. 2 to 2, 1 to 1 sided, staples, whatever you want. But if I wanted to make sets, let's say I want to make 10 sets of that, I'm going to do 1 staple, 1 staple. Let's make 20 sets. And after it staples each set, it'll stagger it from left to right. So it'll collate it. And as you can see, here's set 1 stapled in the corner. So let's cancel this job. Now the machine comes standard with built-in text searchable scanning. So the previous video that I showed you allows you to take multiple PDF sources when you archive them so you can go paperless and combine them. You can also then send them into Word and Excel. You can do auto redactions because this machine scans everything text searchably. I can have a 1,000-page contract, scan it into the program, type in a Social Security, and every instance on a 1,000-page contract where there's a social security number, it'll automatically black it out. So it has automatic redaction capabilities. If you come closer, unlike the laser Konica Minolta machine that you have now, this is an LED print system. So a lot less moving parts internally. A lot of lawyers are finding that their business is not 9 to 5. And the biggest issue and problem with all laser equipment is that when the drums or fuser goes, you have to place a service call. Under this machine, a drum, which is the imaging unit, is just as easily replaced as a toner cartridge. So you can replace critical components that are on your shelf and included in your maintenance plan at no charge to get yourself up and running with no need for a service call. So that's the demonstration. This machine will do exactly what you have today, plus more, plus you have service and support and toner included for the next 5 years of the contract. So I hope you enjoyed the demonstration.